Guys, Wuben just sent over the all-new X5, and they've also sent the X4 in the past. My current EDC is the Arc Pro by Olight, but can this X5 beat this out? What's going on, guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a new light that was sent to me over by Wuben. So Wuben sent over the new X5 flashlight. What is it? It's a flat flashlight. Flashlights are like the thing now because it's a lot easier to pocket carry. It's much slimmer, so you don't have this bulge of a circular light popping out in your pockets, and it's just much more comfortable. So looking at it back here, I'm gonna show you guys this, and I'm gonna have it so that way you guys can pause it if you want to look at the specs yourself. But a real quick rundown. What do you get out of this thing? You get a UV mode, you get a strobe mode, there's an eco mode, which is 1 lumen, wow. Low mode, which is 50 lumens, medium, which is 150 lumens, the high is running on 350, and then turbo is going to be 1300 lumens, and then it bumps down to 400 after 1 minute. So you do have 200 meters of a range, which is also 10,000 candelas. It has an IP65 waterproof rating. It also has a laser, and which laser model did I get? I got the Class 3R laser, as you can see here. So the laser in Class 3R is a max output of 5 MWs and a max runtime of 24 hours. Wow, let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. All right, so you got your stickers there. Sure, it comes with your accessories. So here's your accessory box here. So you get that Wuben lanyard, and this is, oh wow, also a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's pretty cool. And then it just goes into the housing like so. That's really nice. And I'm not a big lanyard guy by any means. I don't put lanyards on any of my lights or anything like that. And let's take a look at this light. This is the light here compared to my Arc Pro. It is definitely bigger, as you can see here. All right. And then your clip is only a one-way clip, where the Arc Pro is a two-way clip, as you can see there. And what's really cool about this is that, let's see, there's this door here. I think there might be a safety feature on the battery, or maybe is it just dead? Huh, or there's usually like a lockout feature. There is. There's a laser, pretty bright laser there. Oh, right here, you do have USB-C charging, but I think I was watching Marine X's videos, and this thing also can take AAA batteries. And let's see, UV, how does this one work? You hold it down, you operate the UV mode. Okay, if you press it even harder, there's that click, and that turns it on. Hard press is gonna turn it on and off, and then light tap is going to be the different modes. It goes 1 lumen, 50 lumens, 150, 350, turbo. Woo, that thing is bright. 1 lumen on my shirt. You can see that there. Okay, 50 lumens is right there. Then you go to medium, which is 150 lumens, 350 lumens on high, and then your turbo. Now, the ultimate test. Is this going to fit in my Tale of Knives MPU lefty? Ooh, really tight. I'm sure like I can break it in, but it fits, as you can see there. And it's leather, so if I decide that I want to make this my actual daily carry light, then I can do so. Putting it in, you're gonna have to handle it on the sides because you don't want to accidentally press that top button there. And then from there, I would just pop it out, boom, and then get ready to use it. Light tap is gonna put it on the last memory mode that you had set. So say I wanna go to 150 lumens, I'm gonna hard press and then light tap, is gonna get back to 150. That is always a huge plus when it can fit in my Tale of Knives MPU. Feedback that I have. Number one, Wuben, why didn't you customize mine like you did Marine X and Sensible Prepper? I'm a little jealous because they got their logo right here on the front, like how Olight can do it on here. Number two, this clip is just one way. It just goes down. I wish it had a two-way clip, because if I want to put this on my ball cap, or if I want this to act as a bike light, maybe I can have that other option of the two-way clip like Olight does. Okay. Number three, I like the ease of use, but I feel like you guys made the UI on the X4 a little bit more user-friendly. I like what you guys are doing with the flat lights though. So this is the X4 and that's their flat light there. And right here on the side, you have like your moonlight, you have spotlight, you have your front light here, and then your lockout mode. Is this also a, okay, and there's no magnetic tail or anything like that, like how they have for the X4. Just want to show you guys. So if you get your knife, boom, it sticks. I don't have the magnetic, you know, but the Arc Pro, if I want to work on my engine bay, hook that onto the top of the hood, I could do so. Can't do that with the Wuben X5, right? I like what they're doing though. This is one of their first pocket renditions of a flat EDC light. So I want to give this a go, carry it a few times, see how it feels with my daily carry, and see if it can ultimately take over this Arc Pro, which is one of my favorite lights. But let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this light? What are your pros? What are your cons? Would you have this replace an Arc Pro if you have one, or maybe an Arkfeld? Let me know. My name is Mikey. This is Mikey Daily Carry. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Waka